In this brief video, we'll see how the right-click Open With command of MacroView Message 365 and MacroView DMF 365 is a great way to directly edit files stored in Office 365. By direct editing, we mean opening the file in such a way that any changes are saved straight back to the copy of the file in Office 365. We're in Outlook using MacroView to examine the contents of a document set in Office 365. The document set contains this PNG file. If we left-click, we see a formatted preview of the file. If we want to make edits to the file, we can right-click and Open With. As in Windows itself, MacroView gives us a choice of what application we want to use to open this PNG file. Let's continue using Paint. The file then opens from SharePoint Online into Paint in such a way that if we make a change to the file, such as this extra highlighting box, and hit the Save button, the changes are saved straight back into SharePoint Online or Office 365 in general. Let's close our application and refresh our view, and here we see in the preview the new highlighted box. If we right-click and open the file, and again we see the new highlighting box. We can do much the same thing with this Visio drawing. If we right-click and Open With, choose to use Visio 2016 still, the drawing file opens from SharePoint Online into Visio 2016. We can then choose to modify the document with a bit of color and hit the Save button and close. If we now right-click and open the file, we see that our change, including our new highlighted color, is being saved directly to the copy of the VST in SharePoint Online. Open With is a great way to work with files whose applications do not have a MacroView open from SharePoint or Save As to SharePoint customization provided. For more information about Open With and other ways in which the MacroView can assist with working with documents stored in Office 365, contact MacroView using these details.